Welcome to our installation tutorial for the laparoscopic trainer box. Let's begin by unboxing and setting up your new training kit. Now, take out the folding training box. Open it and secure the side brackets into the base holes. Press the small clamps on each side to lock the brackets in place. Connect the LED lights by inserting the white LED USB cable into your laptop's USB slot. Turn on the lights using the inline switch and adjust brightness using the up and down buttons. Now, let's install the endoscope. First, attach the white holder to the central hole of the trainer box and tighten from both sides. Next, screw the endoscope adjuster onto the box. Then, insert the endoscope tool sequentially into the adjuster and holder. Connect the endoscope's USB cable to your computer. Search for camera software in the search box in the taskbar, and launch the boot-in camera software to display the view on your screen. Ensure it is securely placed for a clear view. Finally, turn on the flush at the end of the endoscope for extra lights. Choose from the 12 different modules included, and place your selected module inside the box. Secure the corners with screws from the module pack. Adjust the endoscope to fully or partially display the module on your screen. Now, take the instruments from the kit and insert them into the blue holes on the box as needed for your practice. For practice with a smartphone or tablet, first fix the white stand in the central hole horizontally using the provided screws. Place your device in camera mode on the stand and use your screen for practice or recording. Your laparoscopic trainer box is now ready for use. Refer to our module instruction video for detailed practice techniques. Choose the best. Choose Alcedo Health.